Hello and welcome to the 11th day of our 21 Days of Energy series. If you are just tuning in for the very first time, that's perfectly fine. What this is something we've been doing since the equinox. I pull an oracle card, talk about the daily energy, and then we do a 5-minute Reiki healing session to really just help this energy settle within us and get what we need energetically at this time. But for everybody who's been following along the whole time, I thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So let's get going. Yesterday, we had the surrender card, and we really had a pretty powerful experience of just letting go and showing the universe that we trust. So, and I told you that during the energy session, I saw 111. Not even thinking, because I try not to think whenever I'm doing an energy healing session, that today is the 11th day. Anytime you see 11, 111, 1111, very often signifies a new beginning, a manifestation. So this is a very significant day, and the card really shows this. The card we got today was growth. In the picture, I'm gonna come closer so I can show you the picture. Okay, so that's you. This is your light. This is all the energy around you, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and expanding out. This card, to me, all I see is this beautiful energy emanating from you, building on top of each other. Just expanding out into the world. So your growth as an individual, your growth on your spiritual journey, your growth energetically is expanding out, and it's reaching other people. It's reaching aspects or parts of this physical world that are going to start coming to fruition. These manifestations are starting to come into fruition, and it's all stemming from within you. So the card states, I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. And that's exactly, I feel like everything this week has led up to this card. We got in the practice of following our happiness, starting this momentum towards change. Yesterday, our biggest growth so far, I think, has come when we just surrendered and we let go. And now, on this 11th day, it's like a new beginning, almost. Our awareness is just expanded. Our energy is so expansive right now. You are growing so quickly. You're progressing so quickly on your journey by going through this process. And the card absolutely indicates this. For so long, many of us have thought, if we could just get what we want in our life, then all will be well. If we could be in union, all will be well. If we can make X amount of dollars, if we can, be able to travel as much as we want, or live where we want, or own the cars that we want, then all will be well. But what we are coming to realize is that that which we want we will absolutely find within ourselves. So we're coming to realize that on our spiritual journey. And, I'm sure a lot of us already know that. But I feel like the energy today is really driving this home for us. Like there's just this awareness that maybe we weren't conscious of before. Like we've reached this point where we truly get it, not just on like a surface level. Yeah, I understand that theory, but we're getting it on a soul level. And what this card is saying is with this expansive consciousness and this expanded awareness, we are now at the point where we are growing, like we're becoming okay with who we are. And what's expanding out, this energy is expanding out and attracting all those things that you thought would make you happy. It might be attracting some of them, but it's expanding out and it's attracting things that make you even more happy because you're not waiting on them anymore. You're not saying to yourself, as long as I can get this, that's when I'll be happy. We are realizing as a collective that it starts from within and expands out. And by giving up control yesterday, I feel like it really set that into motion. I hope that I explained this okay, because I feel like I can really understand it on an energy level, on a soul level, but I'm having a hard time finding the words for it. So I hope that I was able to explain really what I'm getting through this energy. It's so beautiful. It is such a beautiful energy. And since I'm not able to find the words, let's just talk on an energetic level, okay? So let's start with this energy healing, and I'm just sending it to you for whatever you need, whatever your soul needs right now. Not what you want to attract into your life, but whatever your beautiful, unique soul needs on its journey to expand your consciousness, to just radiate your pure, beautiful light out into this world. So let's sit back and relax. Going to connect to your energy, do my sacred symbols, and flow this high vibrational Reiki energy to you. Anything in your arc field or energy field doesn't serve you. Like myself. Disconnect from that Reiki energy. So be it and so it is. Thank you. Wow. Like, I feel like crying right now. That was amazing. I could just feel your beautiful energy so much. I felt it so much in my crown chakra, more than I ever have doing this type of work, doing energy work on other people. I've never felt it in my crown chakra like that. I just kept getting this visualization of like this like growing and expanding, almost like bubble, I guess. A lot of like whites and blues, golds. So thank you so much for being the beautiful soul that you are, for being a source of light in this world, for letting go of that control so that you can truly grow and expand and help your situation, other people's situations, other people, more than probably even realize. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in. Reiki with Rachael. All my information is down below. I'll talk with you tomorrow. Love and light.